To add a product, please provide the following information. TEMU has divided the product creation process into different steps for you to provide all of the necessary information. 1. Product information. This helps buyers get a quick understanding of what your product is and decide whether they want to buy it. Product information includes the title, description, price, attributes, specifications, images, and videos of the product. 2. Fulfillment commitment refers to the seller's obligation to the buyer, covering the period from order placement to actual dispatch, including handling time, shipping templates, and related fulfillment details. 3. Safety and compliance information. This ensures buyer safety and smooth transactions and includes manufacturer details, country of origin, etc. Getting started, choose a category. Select the most relevant and accurate categories to ensure that buyers can find your products among the millions of products sold on TEMU. There are 2 ways to do this. Enter the product name to display recommended categories or use the search bar to find a category. Use saved or previously used categories. A detailed product description helps buyers get a better understanding of the product and decide whether they want to buy it. It also plays an important role in terms of it being displayed in search results. Upload images and videos to demonstrate product features, usage scenarios, and what makes the product stand out from other products. There are 2 different video types that you can upload. Product detail videos will be displayed in the product details section, while product videos will be displayed at the top of the product page. Products with videos generally get more exposure than products without videos. Select a trademark if the product has been manufactured by a specific brand. If you have not registered a trademark, you must go to Performance-Account Health and register it, then wait for TEMU to review the information you submitted. You can add a logo for your trademark at any time. As providing correct trademark information improves the accuracy of the price assessment and ensures that the product matches up with search queries, we recommend that you fill in trademark information when you add the product instead of after adding the product. Step 2. Enter product details. Product details mainly refer to key product attributes such as material, style, and care instructions. The purposes of product details are as follows: providing accurate product classification information and for accurate price assessments. Reducing concerns from buyers about your products. Enhancing the position of your product in search rankings and recommendations. Step 3. Enter product variations. Variations are different versions of the same product, such as a t-shirt in XS, S, and M, and in yellow or blue. You can manage all variations flexibly without having to list them separately. To add variations, select the suitable variation type and enter the relevant details. For non-clothing products, you can choose from variation types provided by TEMU. Each product can have up to 2 levels of specifications. For clothing products, only colors and sizes can be set as variations. It is not possible to set custom variations. Clothing products must include a size chart. A clear and accurate size chart helps buyers choose the right size, improves the shopping experience, and reduces the likelihood of products being returned. A product's SKU is the smallest selling unit used to distinguish between different product variations such as color and size. To improve efficiency when adding products, carefully fill in the following details. Images. These are displayed on product detail pages. Buyers can swipe between different images to learn more about products and product details. Quantity. Maintain individual inventory levels for each SKU and ensure that adequate stock is available to fulfill customer orders in a timely manner and prevent traffic loss caused by products being out of stock. Base price. This should reflect your costs and expected profit. You will receive sales proceeds based on the effective price for each product sold. Weight. Enter this based on the actual measurements of your product as it affects the reference base price. Product videos are displayed at the top of the product page. From the product video that you upload, buyers will be able to get a better idea of what the product looks like, its features, how to use it, and what it is like in real life. Videos enhance the shopping experience and help buyers make purchasing decisions. Step 4. Fill and order fulfillment information. On the offer page, you will need to provide information about the handling time, the shipping template, and delivery method. Handling time, this refers to the length of time from the order being placed to shipment. Shipping template, this contains information about delivery regions, shipping times, and fees. If no shipping template is available, click Add Shipping Template to create one. If individual shipping adjustments are required for a product, create a separate shipping template. Step 5. Safety and compliance. Safety and compliance are critical to ensuring both buyer safety and the smooth execution of transactions. In order to sell on TEMU, you must provide relevant compliance documents. Ensure that all of the information you provide is accurate. Incorrect or falsified information may result in penalties, compensation for buyers, and legal consequences. Please note that different product categories and marketplaces require different compliance documents. You can skip this step when adding products, but documents must be submitted before products can be listed. After you have added a product, you can upload and view compliance documents by going to Products-Product Compliance. You can refer to more information about TEMU's compliance policies by going to the Support Center. Once the product has been added, you can check the listing progress by going to Manage Products-Incomplete. Products can only be made available for sale once TEMU's price assessment process has been completed and the product has been approved.